So in today's class, we are going to discuss a topic called Geological Time Scale. Geological Time Scale. This is a very popular topic, Geological Time Scale. Especially while writing answers, if you include these words, let's say which time what happened, your answer weightage increases in mains. Okay. In prelims, they'll ask one or two questions from this. Okay. So this topic is going to be important for many exams. Correct. So related to UPSC. Like say prelims, mains also they'll ask. Other exams, center services you are going to take, there also they'll ask. Geological time scale. Okay. So geological time scale is basically is a representation of time. Since the formation of Earth, when 4.54 billion years ago Earth evolved as a planet, our solar system evolved. From then till now, what all has happened? All the rocks, all the fossils that we have on Earth comes under this. It is a representation of time since the formation of Earth till now, based on fossil evidence, based on rock evidence. Okay, so we all have evolved recently, but what we have done a lot of exploration, excavations, fossils we have unearthed, and we have tried to understand their age through radiocarbon dating. Using the radiocarbon dating, we have estimated their age, and based on that, we have arranged them in this scale. Geological time scale is a representation of time. Please write. I'll call it a GTS. Is the representation of time. Representation of time since the formation of Earth. Since the formation of Earth, I'll say of our planet Earth, representation of time since the formation of our planet Earth, bracket 4.54 billion years ago till present, means till now, since the formation of Earth till now. Okay, based on based on paleontological evidence and petrological evidence. Based on some evidence. What evidence? Paleontology means what? Fossil. Study of fossils is paleontology. Paleontology is study of fossils. Study of rock is petrology. Based on paleontological and petrological history. Okay, evidence. In exam, in case if you forget these two words, correct, it happens. So you forget what word sir said, some paleo he said, what you do? You write fossil and rock evidence. That's it, done. Rock and fossil evidence. That will save the day. So instead of writing paleontological, petrological, it gives weightage. Okay, but if you can't remember it, we can't do anything. Fossil and rock evidence, you write. That's it. So that means wherever we have done, let's say rock-based studies, fossil-based studies, we have got a lot of evidence. Fossil evidence we have got. Based on that, we have estimated their age and we have arranged them in a scale since the formation of Earth till now. 4.54 billion years ago, our solar system was formed. Our sun was formed and planets were formed. Correct? From there till now. We have divided this into a huge, you can see, either in billion I will mention or this I'll write in 4,540 million, correct? Million. This entire period has been divided into two parts, mainly two parts. First, the last 540 million years, we have a lot of evidence. Last 540 million years, we know all the rocks, fossils. Before that, we don't know much. So this period is called as Phanerozoic Eon. This period from the formation of Earth till this is called as Precambrian. You'll understand, please write Precambrian Eon. Precambrian Eon. Eon is a larger time period which is divided into era. Era is divided into period. Periods are epochs. Like that we have divided. Eon, era, period, epochs. Okay. So Eon is larger time scale. Okay. Precambrian Eon, Phanerozoic Eon. This is called as Hadean era. This is called as Archean era. This is called as Proterozoic era. See, this Precambrian Eon was divided into 3 eras: Hadean, Archean, Proterozoic. Eon is larger scale, which is divided into era. Okay. Hadean, Archean, Proterozoic. Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Like this. These are the 3 eras inside this. So these are again further. The Phanerozoic Eon is divided into Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era. I don't have space, so you write like that. Paleo means old, Meso means middle, Ceno means recent. Cenozoic or Cenozoic. Okay. Paleo old, middle, Meso, Cenozoic is recent. We are in this now. We are in the most recent now. Cenozoic era. Okay. Whereas the earth formation was Hadean. That itself is a question. The earth was formed in which of the following time scale? Which period? So this beginning of the Hadean era, beginning of the Precambrian Eon. It's the largest time scale. So earth formed, solar system, earth and our planets formed here. After that, remember, moon formed due to the asteroid impact. Then gradually earth was in a molten state. Molten state say it started stratifying. Crust, mantle, core was formed. All that, remember geography class, first class we discussed, all that happened here. So earth got tilted. Correct. All that happened in this period. So stratification of earth, crust, mantle, core, then atmosphere was formed, hydrosphere was formed, all this in this period only. There was no life back then. Not even bacterial life. So as a result, it is Hadean period has no life. It's azoic basically. Then Archean period mein we have bacteria and archaea, small. Remember Monera? That came in the Archean. So the word archaea. Archaea means what? Old. Very old, pre-life, starting of life here, Archean. Okay, so that bacteria and archaea was there, cyanobacteria and all. Remember I told you oxygenation of our atmosphere, then ozone formed, all that happened this period, Archean. Then in Proterozoic, other life forms evolved like Protista, fungi, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, all this formed here, this period. So most of the life, invertebrates we saw yesterday, all that was evolved here in this period. The vertebrates evolved in this last recent, like mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, fish and all evolved in this period. So most of the period of earth from here to here is very long period. We don't have much of the evidence. So as a result, we are mentioning whatever we know as of now. So the geological time scale is a representation of time from formation of earth till now, based on fossil evidence and rock evidence.